Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, fully renovated villa on the front line of the La Marquesa Golf Course in Ciudad Quesada. This beautifully renovated property offers incredible views and a private pool and parking bay. At the entrance, you will find the parking area and easy access to a path that leads straight into the living room. This space lets ample light in with views of the golf course. With a fully equipped open-plan kitchen and large living room area, from the living room, it leads to the front balcony that has a covered outdoor seating area. The pool can be accessed internally and externally, with steps leading down from the balcony. The pool area has been terraced and has multiple seating areas. Downstairs in the villa, you will find 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom has ample space and has a walk-in wardrobe and ensuite bathroom. Second guest bedroom also with an ensuite bathroom. And across you will find the 3rd bedroom with a guest bathroom at the side. All the rooms have been equipped with brand new air conditioning units, and the villa also has a tourist license for extra income. Located just 1 minute from La Marquesa Golf Club, this property is in one of the most sought-after locations in the Costa Blanca. For more information, please contact Villas for Spain today.